I learned about Sovereign through an addiction specialist in Westwood, Dr. James Lozano, and I tried to do it twice by myself at home with Suboxone, and I could not do it myself, so I told him I needed to go to detox, and he referred me to San Clemente Sovereign. First of all, I had done Suboxone for heroin, Suboxone maintenance, and that really worked for me. And so San Clemente offered that, and it's saved my life. I have been using heroin and speed IV for the last 4 years, and I was tired of living that lifestyle. I was very sickly mentally and physically, and I was on my way to the streets or death. And I was tired of living like that, so I asked for help. This treatment program is very focused on individual as well as group. The therapist sees the patient 2 times a week. If you needed more, they're there for you more. They're very concentrated on your casework, and they just have a lot of individual groups that are very focused on relapse prevention, anger management, self-care, and a lot of spiritual work as well. I felt safe, and I felt I felt like I was home. I felt like I could get some real good care here. I never thought about anything in excess, but I do feel that you guys have been there for me through thick and thin, and I completed here, and then unfortunately I did not do what Sovereign told me to do, which was go to meetings, get a sponsor, and work the steps, and I went home and relapsed, but within 3 days I was back here, and with open arms, they welcomed me back. Beautiful, clean, beautiful, room enough for everybody. The house managers are terrific. They're really there for you, and they're very focused on your well-being. The staff is terrific. They really get it. My therapist has been amazing. Actually, I like to say their flashlight turns on when mine burns out. So they've really helped me out quite a bit. Group therapy, it can be very repetitive, but I think that in order to retrain our thinking as addicts, perhaps that's a good way to go. They have yoga and they have meditation. Every single morning they have meditation. And really that just, I feel, gets me very centered, relaxed, and it allows me to focus during groups. A typical day in treatment would be 3 days a week. There is gym, so you have to wake up at 6:30 a.m. Get ready, go to the gym, have your coffee, a little something to eat, go to the gym for 45 minutes, come home, do your chore, and get ready to come to the center until 4:15. And then they take you back to the house at around 4:30, and you have some time to rest, make yourself something to eat. They cook for you for dinner, and then they take you to a meeting. What I like most about Sovereign is that there's just a nice eclectic group of people here, and everybody knows what to do. You don't really have to think when you come into this place, Sovereign, because first of all, they don't want outside forces in your head, and unfortunately we come in with a lot of problems. They guide you every step of the way, and that's what I like about Sovereign. They just really guide you. They take your hand and they lead you to where you have to be, and you don't really have to think about it. You just can focus on your care. My recovery. That this place has given me my life back. I could not have done this on my own. The aftercare that I get is amazing, and I would tell anybody. I've been to quite a few different rehabs, and Sovereign is the best rehab. I will tell others that if they need to get their life on track, that Sovereign is the place to reach out to, because they will grab your hand and pick you up and help you.